on the chance, eh?
Put your bloody head on it.
Steve, congratulations.
Cheers, mate. Thanks very much.
Great night.
Tremendous. Oh, I'm going to enjoy it now. Oh, great. Unbelievable, mate.
Looking forward to the second division.
I am, yeah. Whether we won or draw tonight, it's going to be a good night, and they deserve to go up as well. God strung outside, but
it was a tough game, wasn't
it? Yeah, it was. It was a tough game, but we did enough.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, cheers.
Yes, it's been 2.5 years, and you can't expect any more that's happened, and hopefully next year it'll carry on the same tradition. It's a big club, and hopefully now it can stay for another year, and I'm sure they'll do well in the second division.
Is your highlight of your career, do you think?
Yes, it's been fantastic today. I must thank, I've kissed Robbie Dennison 300 times for taking me out of the mire tonight. Because after the second goal went in, I wish the ground opened up and swallowed me.
They gave you a good run for your money tonight.
Since Robbie scored the second goal, I think it was an even match, and there was a draw, both of us to the second division, so hopefully both can do well next year.
Does you know all about the second division? You're looking forward to that?
Yes, if I can get a contract, I'd love to see it next year, because there'll be a few local derbies. We've got back to West Brom, hopefully, and yeah, the lads will do well.